nĩngatho nĩ gũikara mĩtambo-inĩ ya Kameme TV tabarĩra nĩrĩrĩbũka show ihinda rĩrĩ tũgũkorwo tũkĩrora trending videos yani mũhuhu ũrĩa wĩ nenda-inĩ twĩna njorua itũ Esther Konkara mena Mitch na Robert ketũkorwo tũkĩona ka video ka mbere.
She and her friend in my bar. 5 girl of them plus me that are 16. A real girl is like me. Me not jump the kids and run this thing. Listen me phone just every second it every minute it in my mad DJB. Shimmy, bad girls go swalla la la. What's down on my wrist in the bitch.
Do you know this thing called Odi dance?
Odi?
Naitanga kuharibika. You spoil all the bones in your body.
Even if wanafanya.
Yeah.
Esther, what do you think? What do you think?
Nimeona wako so creative that wheelbarrow ina serve kama dancing partner.
Yeah.
I think that's very creative of them.
It's very creative, eh?
Yeah.
Youth waskizi wako very creative, eh?
Sana.
Robert?
These are young guys who are expressing themselves.
Yeah.
Stress zinatokea hapa. Kwambia you'll never find them involved in mambo na strike na some hooliganism.
Yeah.
Hapa zinaishia hapa kirudi kwa vitabu they are so relaxed.
Yeah.
These guys are good.
So watu waendelee kufanya hii kweli kama co-curriculum activity. Hata maka dance after classes, eh? Ketukoro tukiona ka video gake. Kenya na understand na hii video umse kwake kumeflood.
Yeah.
Lakini mimi sidhani amoi swim too clearly anachukua selfie akiwa chini ya maji hivi. Umtaje swimming.
Yeah, it's
He
true.
looks scared.
Yeah?
Literally scared.
He looks really
He's enjoying.
He looks
I'm
excited.
not enjoying.
He's having
The
fun.
guy is so calm.
His blessing, his face is very blank.
Yeah.
Meaning he doesn't know what to do.
Alikuwa anajaribu
Who was
kusema
taking
Rivers.
his video?
Rivers is for professionals. Just a drill.
But ni regiuga ni ati mundu kuri araikara wimenyerere muno tondu when it floods like this, eh? Na waku mucie waku hana no menya most of the time gutiga socket yoni you can die no kwe kuko na tugethekaga mwiroreri ni wega tukamenyaga maundu mamwe ni very nimekwenda kurorwo muno na tukarora ginya drainage citu niguo tuikare micie mitheru na micie tare na mai reke tukorwo tukiona video ya gatatu.
Te digo de mi parte que no aguanto más. No aguanto ver el otro como dice que es el dueño suyo. Me mata el orgullo, el no te sabe hablar. Está ahí para él, como la escucha y quiere estar ahí para él. Como se entere y sepa que soy dueño de usted. Tal vez soy un poco más, pero no me guste. Todo es por usted.
Alô, Russui, vai se preparando pra balançar, hein? Ele tá chegando por aqui.
Tuanza na Mitch.
Singempigia makofi. Rege ujileta tu. Rege ujileta. You can't avoid it.
Yeah.
But I think hapa alikuwa na dance ma offbeat.
Lakini wacha tu understand.
What's happening?
Huo mtoto unaona miaka ngapi? That's a very
That's like a 3-year-old kid.
That's a child.
But yeah.
Na unaona hafanyi zile moves zote anafanyanga hivi kila time ameshika bag. Ako na ile step yani
Super
ana
talent,
feel
yeah,
music.
Ako na dance old school kidogo. Todo dance tarere bado rumba venye hao wazazi dance.
Wenye walikuwa na nini? Real talent. Era jesha na tu nini? Torabonaga fafa wao.
Yini tarugwa gatuka a very great dancer.
Kuko na ukare maybe fafa wao. Fafa wao no ko ni dancer.
True.
Robert, what do you think?
rhythm na timing yake imeingia yote, anaenda hakuna ile offbeat. Mimi notice this guy really is good.
Really?
There's no
Come
He's
on.
only dancing.
Sami
The song is reggae, but I dance a reggae style and I dance ni kama zilizopenda, but he's not really
anaweka
offbeat.
rumba na
Yeah, he's not
And I dance
offbeat.
kama rumba, but
Yeah.
At
Nika
his
anaka
age,
mature.
and that's
Yeah.
superb.
Very true. Mahinda maitũ nĩ mathira. Nĩ ngatho we mũrori wĩikara mĩtambo-inĩ ona kũrĩa gĩnĩtwo ũmũthĩ Esther Konkara mena Mitch na Robert. Ũngĩenda kwaranĩria na Esther mangĩkwarĩria kũ?
No ndĩmahe namba itũ ya business.
Ndĩrenda maririkane social handles
Social
ciaku.
media mekujaria na Escon the band. Iyo ni page ya band. No nĩngorwo na Esther Konkara Mwaniki. Iyo ni my profile. Na no makiandike email, of which email ti andũ ingĩ matindaga makiandika.
Mahe kwĩ andũ mendaga email.
Toniandikia Esther, that is ESTA Waturi. Waturi is WATURI@gmail.com.
Na nĩ uma uge mũkawa wĩtagwo atĩa?
Mũkawa wĩtagwo Marshall Lodge. Na mekũgũra ticket www.mtickets. Hau niho makũrĩhĩra. Tugire mũndũ ũmwe nĩ 2,500 na andũ erĩ a couple nĩ 4,000. Ũgakorwo kwĩ mweri 12 mweri wa 5 Marshall Lodge ĩkĩo kũndũ wĩtagwo Kiserian. Na event ĩkambia kuma thaa 7 cia rũcinĩ na cia mĩaraho nginya thaa 4 cia ũtukũ. Kwĩna transport.
Kwĩna age limit mũndũ agaiciria gũka na
Ciana nginya nĩ ciroka. Ciana cikarĩha 1,000. So kutakuwa na kids activity. Kuwa mũciari no oke na mwana. No mwana ndegũkĩrĩha hata mũndũ mũgima.
Event ĩretwo
Ĩretwo Country Music Barbecue.
Country Music Barbecue.
Yes.
Haya, mwĩroreri ni wa Kĩigua. Mitch,
Yes.
wakumbushe social handles zako.
Manic Production kwanza. My studio Manic Production and Entertainment. Kwa Facebook Michi Frank, Instagram Michi Frank. Yeah.
Robert.
Mimi namba ya simu naweza peana for those interested in learning how to play musical instruments, and that is 0727 450 109. Ama napatikana Leaders Music School on Facebook.
Okay.
Na arĩa mangĩkĩenda to perform kũndũ tondũ ndĩrenda to perform in corporate events no matwarĩre na 0738
0738
469
469
351.
351. Haya, tafarĩra yuma rĩrĩmbũka show na ngwĩraga waga kũmona gũkũ ukamenya matire marahanika no thi na mbere kũranĩra ithuĩ mĩtambo-inĩ ya Kameme TV. Facebook ni Kameme TV Kenya, Twitter @Kameme TV Kenya, kana twandĩkĩre SMS namba ni 21182. Ona nino waranĩri na nĩ mĩtambo-inĩ yakwa ya Facebook, Twitter, Instagram yothe ni Wanjiko James 254. Tuonane wagatano ũcio ũkĩte. Nĩ ngatho nĩngetwo Wanjiko wa Kinuthia, the African sweetheart. See me when I see you.
You look lovelier tonight than I remember. I'm so glad I got to see you once again. I've enjoyed you sitting down and reminiscing, but I'll enjoy as much of this as I can stand. There's so much more between us than this table. All those years, all those plans, and all those tears. So you say you're happy now, you found a new love. But I've enjoyed as much of this as I can stand. So you say you're happy now, you found a new love. Tell him I said he's a lucky man. No, I don't think I'll have time to see his picture, 'cause I'll